What is today's movie? Well, drum roll, please. And today's movie is White Noise. So I have not read the books, not seen any trailers, so I kind of went in blind, and overall, pretty boring. So I was very excited for this premise, but it didn't have a plot, and it actually got boring at times, and because of those two factors, it just made me not be able to really recommend it, like it. I thought the writing though and the delivery, the actors, they like, especially in the absurdism, really nailed it, and I was impressed by that, and I just kept wanting more. Right? Well, I love absurdist comedy, so I was really hoping for more from this film. I just wanted it to go somewhere in the lines of like 2012. You have your Silence. You have all these movies that kind of take this family. And side note, families in disaster movies are generally the worst kind of disaster movies. This kind of proves the point. The only redeeming quality was, ironically, the amazing dance sequence at the end that just kept repeating itself. I'm gonna give it a rating, I'd say like 5 out of 10. So, wouldn't really recommend.